Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, today it's Wednesday, December the 23rd, 2020. We have the second Sudoku here. Let me focus the camera. And this will be number 2052. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. We have here 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 3 is 13 plus 5 is 18 plus 2 is 20 plus 3 23 plus 4 is equal to 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, the 1 star has always 27 printed digits, so this will be a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about this big square? Five missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the middle column, only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. Yes. 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And then... Yeah. Alright. 1, 4, 7, 6. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Yes, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 1. 7 and 1, we see here 7. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4s in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. We have here 2 missing numbers in this row. Those 2 missing numbers are the 6 and the 3. 6 and the 3, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in the third column. 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2. And now 1, 2, 3. Yes, in this big square, the 4 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 8 is 6 and the 7 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for a 4 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 4. Well, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes for you, so you can follow it easier. All right. How about yeah. 3 missing numbers in the third row. 1, 2, 3. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. Here also 9, no 9 in that box. 1 box left for the 9 should be here, so automatically 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see there no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. All right. So these 2 numbers are left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. Let me mark those 2 numbers so we can follow it easier. These 2 boxes, the other pair in the second row, are reserved for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And we have a pair, 9 and a 5 in this column, 9 and a 5 in that column. So the middle column, the column between the 9 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 9 and a 5. So there's 2 numbers left in the middle column. Those 2 numbers should be the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in that box. The 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square. We have here the 9 and the 5, so the other pair should be the 7 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes here. 7 in this last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, the third column. 7 in the column next, the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And then all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, yes. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4, yes, all right. All right. Then how about these 2 numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 5. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing in this big square. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left. Wait. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku. And if you like medium Sudokus, you can click on the playlist for medium Sudokus. If you like binary Sudokus, you can click on the playlist below for the binary Sudokus. Or you can also click, if you like the killer Sudokus. Killer Sudokus, you need to count, yeah. Learn to count, because if you make a mistake, then the whole Sudoku will be a mess. Alright, see you later. Bye bye for now.